Introducing the Troy-Lee Designs Catalyst X knee brace system by VQ OrthoCare. The TLD knee brace is a lightweight medical-grade knee brace designed to provide the ultimate combination of protection and comfort. Whether you ride a motocross, ATV, or mountain bike, the TLD knee brace is the perfect addition to your gear bag. The 7000 series aluminum frame is light, slim, and durable. Tibial Docking System, along with a full circumference strap, provides secure tibial control, which does not allow for the brace to rotate on the rider's leg. The Autoconform aluminum core wings adapt to any anatomy to provide the best fit and comfort. The full coverage patella guard wraps around the hinges to protect the hinges from dirt and debris. By design, this also helps keep the rider's gear and bike from being destroyed. The moisture wicking frame liner keeps you cool and comfortable. Open medical upper and lower shelves provide maximum clearance and comfort. The TLD knee brace is used by many top riders, including the Troy-Lee Designs Lucas Oil Honda team. The Catalyst X knee brace system is made in the USA. For more information on this product, please visit troyleedesigns.com.